This summer, Richmond, Virginia was voted one of the best river towns in America by Outside Magazine. And a local organization wants to make sure that Richmond's youth never forgets it. Blue Sky Fund gives youth from Richmond City Public Schools the opportunity to explore the natural surroundings in their area.
It's right here in Richmond. Our surroundings are full of life, and you really can't put a price on being able to have these experiences, go see the James River.
The Explorers program takes third grade students from Richmond Public Schools on outdoor field trips around Richmond. The most recent trip, Tredegar Iron Works. These field trips offer another style of teaching for the kids to have fun while learning about natural sciences and teamwork.
So for example, if we're learning about the river and river ecology, we take them down to the James River, we jump in the river, and we show them everything that is the James River.
The field trips align with the Virginia standards of learning and help the kids remember what they were taught in the classroom. Blue Sky Fund also uses the team building activities to help encourage the third graders to be better leaders and even better citizens in the future. Each explorer participates in the 5-finger agreement during their field trips. Commitment: I will follow the rules. Respect, encouragement, and safety. Finner Hull says the experience is not only fun and educational for the kids, but also for himself. He says learning how to be an effective teacher is just as rewarding as everything else he learns along the way.
The great thing about Explorers is that you don't have to go on some long journey to be able to discover our natural world.
For VCU News, I'm Kate File.